How we doing, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Excuse the mess. I'm so sorry. I'm still kind of cleaning up after getting a new TV in my living room, which is that thing. Yay! Anyway, today we have a we have another unboxing from Thomas Balisong. Right here. This is the Refault black, this is just a Refault black Tonto blade. I have, the default was one of the, Balisongs that I wanted to try, like really try out. This is the next best thing. Ooh, it's purple. So this is the Refault practice blade material. 5CR15 handle material is 70-75 aluminum with G10 carbon fiber. Glassy vocals. Okay. Got a little pouch. Got the microfiber cloth. Got a couple of weight pins, a couple more weight pins, some bushings, a screw driving bit, and the Balisong itself. Oh my gosh. So those aren't just weight pins. Okay, so this is the Refault. I got the Tonto blade because I like a bit of neutrality. The carbon fiber scales feel freaking insane. Wow. It's also very black. Let's turn on some lights, shall we? And start flipping. Oh, okay. Okay. Ooh, extremely grippy. Oh, listen to that sound. Thomas Balisong with the great sounding Balisongs as per usual. The G10 is, the carbon fiber scales feel amazing. They're the handles are a bit bigger than I initially thought they were gonna be. The fanning is really nice. It is gonna get some getting used to with how much like friction is in the scales, but oh, wow. Okay, for a beginner Balisong, for somebody who doesn't have much money, this would be fantastic. I believe that this is T10 screws, and this is like it kind of looks acid washed, but it's just like these little edges are just like etched with like silver edging. It's cool. Oh my gosh, there's like no play at all. There's barely any wiggle. I am definitely going to be using this a lot, like as like a beater. Okay. The chaplains feel good. Chaplains feel fantastic. Rollovers, aerials, fanning, especially the palm fans, which I cannot believe I learned, by the way. That I utilize palm fans a lot now. Wow, it feels really nice. Like, Thomas Balisong has always been a really good, like, Balisong company. Like, hold on, for example, like, Let me see if I have it. Where is it? There it is. Here's the bike haul. Here's my bike haul, which I will need. I am gonna be doing a bike haul. Review, not like follow-up video, shortly. Just letting y'all know. The bike haul has much smaller handles. This thing feels great. Its tune, like if it keeps its tune, I will talk about that in the follow-up video. I really like the bike haul a lot and the way that it sounds usually. I will need to re-oil it for the video. But this one has a much better, like, neutrality, in my opinion. Plus, the Tonto blade is, like, one of my favorite, like, blade shapes. I already dropped it. Ah, crap, that was awful. Oh my gosh. This is a fantastic looking Balisong. I don't think I just have black. Like just a black Balisong. I have very, like, just white. Obviously, like, the squiddy and stuff like that comes to mind. I have, like, white and black and stuff like that, but I don't think I just have black. This is gorgeous. There's a lot of Hellcats outside, sorry. Okay, okay. Oh, that was really fun. Okay. Yeah, this is something that I need to, like, try out more. I will be getting my white one in soon, because I also got the white carbon fiber one with silver trainer blade. But this is a lot of fun. I think I like this more than the bike haul. Why do I like this more than the bike haul? The bike haul is more expensive. And the bike haul is very... did it keep its tune? Yeah, it is. I like the sound and the feel of the bike haul. Like, I love the way that the aluminum feels in my hand. I like the weight. I like the size of the handles being pretty small. I don't like that they're T8 screws, and I probably like stripped one of them. Oh no, I didn't strip one of them. It's just different. I like that this one has T10 screws. The tune is fabulous out of the box. It sounds amazing out of the box. I just like this guy a lot. And the black screws are like fantastic looking as well. I think that's enough ranting for one day. I will be back with another the follow-up video on this. I do need to sleep, so I'm going to do that, and then probably record the bike haul follow-up video, and then upload the buy call video, because as of recording this, I have not uploaded any of these videos. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. I'll see you guys next time. Later.